Whether you're considering eating less meat or giving it up entirely, the benefits are clear. Less risk of disease and improved health and well-being. Going meatless is as simple as moving vegetables, fruits, whole grains, beans, and legumes from a side dish to a starring role. These foods tend to be high in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and other important nutrients. Now let's take a look at a simple, versatile, and very budget-friendly plant-based recipe: linguine with cannellini beans and summer squash.